Hello everyone, this is Swam here from EnglishWise Sydney City branch. Today we have got our latest successful student Ellen with us. Congratulations Ellen.
Thank you.
Ellen has got her desired score of 50 plus in each module of PTE and now she's ready to lodge her 485 visa. So congratulations once again Ellen.
Thank you so much.
It's a very big news and I know that you came here for IELTS but we somehow convinced you for PTE and I think you've done IELTS before as well.
I did the course, not
you
the
did
test.
The course, yeah. So finally she was ready to do her PTE and I think it's her first and the successful attempt. So Ellen, I just want you to convey a message to everybody out there who is going for PTE or IELTS or confused between IELTS and PTE, that which option is better in your own personal experience.
Okay. I came here, I chose IELTS, and then I came here, I talked with one of the lady from the reception, and she asked me why I want to do IELTS and for what I want to do IELTS, and she explained to me the difference between them, and I just realized PTE was the better option for me at the moment because my visa was expiring in 1 month and I didn't have too much time to do it. So that's why I choose PTE as well. And I think PTE, comparing both of them, PTE for me is much easier. And I'm very happy that I chose PTE. I got my score in 3 weeks, which I needed 50 and I got 60, which is, and in the future, probably I will come back because in the future I will apply for a permanent residence here. And I will need much more than 60, so I'm very happy with the school, I'm very happy with the teachers, everyone was so helpful, I learned a lot in here. I think the strategy classes was very helpful as well, everything, and everyone here was very nice with me, so I really recommend EnglishWise.
Thank you so much Ellen.
Thanks
for joining us today and sharing your experience, and if you can just say a few words to your community, especially when they're confused between IELTS and PTE, that would be great.
Ok. Brasileiros que estão pensando em fazer, que precisam fazer IELTS ou PTE, eu escolhi essa escola por indicação de uma amiga. A escola me acolheu muito bem, de coração aberto. Toda hora eles eram muito preocupados comigo em quando eu ia fazer o teste, por que eu ia fazer o teste. Eles foram muito legais em relação a tudo, me ajudaram bastante. Todos os professores foram muito legais comigo. Eu só tenho a recomendar essa escola. E se vocês estão procurando em fazer IELTS ou PTE, vem pra cá que todo mundo aqui sai com a nota que precisa.
Thank you so much for that, Ellen, and I'm sure that everybody got the message. Thanks for coming here and sharing your experience, and we want to congratulate you again on this successful score. Thank you so much, guys.